Hey there, welcome to Fact Zone. I'm your host, and today we're diving into some of the most bizarre and jaw-dropping facts about our planet that you probably never learned in school. You think you know the world? Well, buckle up because I've got 5 weird facts about our planet that will totally blow your mind. From pink lakes to space that smells like steak, get ready for a wild ride through the strangest corners of Earth and beyond. Alright, let's kick things off with number 1. There's a lake in Australia called Lake Hillier, and get this, it's bubblegum pink. No, it's not a trick of the light or a Photoshop job. This lake is actually as pink as it looks in the photos. I'm not kidding. It looks like someone poured strawberry milk into a lake. The color is so vibrant that it almost seems unreal, like something out of a fantasy movie or a candy commercial. Scientists have theories like special bacteria or algae making the water pink, but honestly no one can say for sure. Some think it's due to a type of microalgae called Dunaliella salina, which produces a red pigment, while others point to halophilic bacteria that thrive in salty environments. But the exact reason remains a mystery, making Lake Hillier one of nature's coolest unsolved puzzles. If you ever want to see a real-life Instagram filter, this is it. Tourists flock from all over the world just to snap a selfie with this one-of-a-kind natural wonder. Fact number 2 is straight out of a sci-fi movie. Octopuses, those wobbly, super-intelligent sea creatures, have 3 hearts. Yep, 3. That's 2 more than us humans, and it's not just for show. And their blood, it's not red, it's blue. That's because instead of iron, their blood uses copper to carry oxygen, which gives it that cool blue color. It's like they're aliens living right here on Earth. Here's the wild part. When an octopus swims, 2 of its hearts actually stop beating, just so the 3rd can pump blood to its organs. Talk about multitasking. It's like their bodies are designed for maximum efficiency, whether they're gliding through coral reefs or squeezing into tiny crevices. And if that's not enough, octopuses are masters of disguise, able to change color and texture in the blink of an eye. Truly, they're some of the most fascinating creatures in the ocean. Let's get a little creepy with fact 3. Have you ever heard of the zombie fungus? It's a real thing. This isn't just a horror movie plot, it actually happens in nature. There's a type of fungus that invades ants' bodies and actually takes control of their brains. The fungus releases chemicals that hijack the ant's nervous system, turning it into a mindless zombie. The ant is forced to climb up high on a plant where it clings on and, well, dies. It's like something out of a science fiction thriller, but it's happening right under our noses in rainforests around the world. Then, the fungus bursts out and spreads its spores everywhere. This gruesome process ensures the fungus can infect even more ants, continuing the cycle of nature's own zombie apocalypse. Nature is wild and a little terrifying. It just goes to show that sometimes the strangest stories are the ones happening in the real world. Here's one that'll mess with your fruit knowledge. Bananas are actually berries, mind blown, right? But strawberries? Not berries. It's one of those facts that makes you question everything you thought you knew about your favorite snacks. It all comes down to botanical classifications. Bananas fit the berry rulebook while strawberries don't. In fact, strawberries are considered aggregate fruits, while bananas are true berries because of how they develop from a single ovary. Next time someone calls strawberries berry delicious, you can hit them with this fact. It's a great way to impress your friends or stump your teacher in science class. And finally, space fact fans, listen up. After a spacewalk, astronauts have reported that their suits smell like seared steak. Seriously. When they return to the airlock and remove their helmets, they're greeted by a scent that's oddly familiar, like someone's been grilling up a barbecue in 0 gravity. The vacuum of space leaves a smell on their gear that's a lot like cooked meat. Think barbecued steak, but in 0 gravity. Scientists believe this unique aroma comes from high-energy vibrations in atoms, creating molecules that resemble the smell of burnt metal and steak. Who knew space had such tasty aromas? It's just another reminder that the universe is full of surprises, and sometimes the truth is stranger than fiction. If you enjoyed these mind-blowing facts, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a trip down the rabbit hole with Fact Zone. We've got plenty more weird and wonderful stories coming your way. Thanks for hanging out with me. See you next time. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our world.